If you are one of the many users that chose to adopt Adobe After Effects, this list of text animation plugins that we will review in today's video will definitely be useful, especially if your animation projects include text elements and stuff like that. Number 20. 13 Universal Text Animations. It's a great pack that has a fair number of templates. It contains 13 modern, stylish, and elegant text animations. You can use these templates for scene transition, captions, or titles. The designs are fully customizable. You can adjust the size, the position, and so on. In addition to that, you can change the color, the duration, and timing. Number 19. Text Animation Lower Third. This template is dedicated to the lower third texts only. It's heavily used for the news broadcast production. It allows you to style your text in eye-catching animations. With this plugin, you can display a headline, introduce a person's name, share quotes, and so much more. All that in the most dynamic way. Number 18. Cracks and Text Animation. It's a simple yet useful template for AE. It results in fantastic effects that compete with the ones we see in fantasy movies. It's heavily used for creating title openers. Cracks and Text Animation contains 4 different styles in addition to 3 background color choices. And although it seems rather limited, it's definitely worth trying. Number 17. Text Library. It's a text animations pack that is so powerful, with a huge number of text animation styles. It contains over 1,000 of them. The templates are also fully customizable to suit any of your needs. Number 16. 70 Text Animations. As the name suggests, 70 Text Animations is a pack that contains some of the coolest effects. You can animate your text in AE with a variety of aesthetic animations. You might think that 70 different styles is too much of a big confusing number, but it's actually not the case. You'll find them displayed in a clean and neat way. Number 15. Kinetic Text Animation. It's a full-blown plugin that allows you to create and animate text in a very unique, stylish appearance. This tool is so flexible and provides you with more than 56 designs to produce dynamic titles. The templates in this pack can be used for various purposes that range from branding videos to personal projects. Either you want upbeat, quick-paced, or any other text effect, Kinetic Text Animation will help you make that happen in the finest of qualities. Number 14. Logo Text Animation. This template allows you to display the text of your logo in a cool, dramatic way. It's perfect for videos that are intended to promote your brand. Using Logo Text Animation is super easy. Anyone can use it even without any prior knowledge or experience with animation. Number 13. Effect Matte. Just like expressions, working with mattes can be hard. Effect Matte is a very useful plugin that will allow you to easily deal with mattes. It helps you add them, track them, and adjust their size. Not to mention that you can customize mattes directly as a layer, without necessarily having a matte tracking layer. Number 12. Glitch Text Animator Pro. The glitch effect will give your text an amazing look and a tacky appearance. Glitch Text Animator Pro is a customizable template that will allow you to do that. It's used for various production purposes, ad videos, music videos, or movie trailers. Number 11. Text Animation. This is another awesome template that displays your text in a dramatic look, with a quick paste and a bold arrival. Of course, you can customize text animation template to make it align with the objectives of your project. Text animation effect is heavily used for ad videos. Number 10. Text Animations Bundle. This After Effects plugin includes 80 templates of stylish text effects. It's a pack that is very easy to use with customizable text presets. It results in elegant projects with a high quality that can compete with world-class animation studios. It comes with a great content that varies from titles, stories, and quotes. In addition to that, it's consistently updated so you will always have the latest effects. Number 9. Random Text Generator. As the name suggests, this plugin creates and generates random text patterns. It's heavily used for tech and sci-fi videos. It allows you to create shapes, grids, and lines. The concept is quite simple. You choose letters and numbers randomly, and then you generate a pattern using the core system. Number 8. Shadow Studio. With this plugin, you can add beautiful shadow styles to your text, such as inner, radial, or soft shadow. This will give more depth and appeal to your text in no time. Number 7. Cartoon Modeler. This tool provides you with parameter control that allows you to add motion trail to your text. The stylish cartoony blur effect can be applied on flat, minimal, or 2D graphics. Cartoon Modeler is featured with shutter angle, so you can adjust the length of the blur. Furthermore, it comes with opacity samples, not to mention that you can customize the color picking either fill or gradient. Number 6. Artificial Intelligence Titles. AI Titles is the plugin that will allow you to automatically animate your text. It works perfectly with typography, giving you the ability to create boxes, change colors, add special effects, and so on. In addition to that, it has limitless adjustment possibilities for the size, duration, positioning, and speed of the text animation. Furthermore, you can customize the style and the direction without having to use keyframes. Number 5. Font Manager. Font Manager is a versatile plugin that helps you create and animate complex text and typefaces in After Effects. It comes with powerful features that will simplify the process and narrow it down to a few clicks. Not to mention that it's quite easy to use with a very simple interface. Number 4. Text Exploder. It's an extremely handy tool that allows you to separate the text characters, words, and lines. This feature will make placing the text elements a lot easier and more organized. You can have each character or word in a layer, then apply different animation effects on each one of them, which will give your animation the unique style you're seeking. Number 3. iExpressions 2. Using expressions within Adobe After Effects requires you to use code in most cases. However, if you're not familiar with coding but you want to use expressions, then this amazing plugin is for you. iExpressions 2 allows you to deal with expressions in After Effects without having to write any code. It comes with 22 predefined expressions that are fully customizable. You only need to choose from the pack, type your text, and you're good to go. Number 2. Textbox. Textbox is a plugin that regroups a bunch of presets that allow you to quickly create and animate text in After Effects. This plugin provides you with powerful capability to create text, adjust its size, and customize the background shape in order to create cool effects and beautiful motions. Textbox does not need any linking between the elements. It will automatically be applied to the same layer of the text. In addition to that, it will not require you to create expressions or connect parent. It's heavily used for creating lower thirds and subtitles. Number 1. Text Delay. Text Delay is a native plugin for Adobe After Effects that allows you to animate your text by delaying it. With this plugin, you'll be able to fully control the text transformation with high levels of precision. It allows you to animate a character, a word, or an entire line of text. Text Delay allows you to work with curves and expressions. You can do easing expressions in a very simple and efficient way. It has various presets that will produce a fantastic text animation effect where you can be so creative, delaying some words and leaving others in order to create a big screen effect. It's featured with a range selector just for this sole purpose. We hope you found this list useful and informative. Comment below if you think that we've missed something or if you have any other suggestions. Thank you for watching.